30 inspirational quotes about hope. A man full of hope will be full of action. Hope is faith in the future tense. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Hope is grief's best music. To all the living there is hope, for a living dog is better than a dead lion. It is characteristic of genius to be hopeful and aspiring. The very least you can do in your life is figure out what you hope for. And the most you can do is live inside that hope. Not admire it from a distance, but live right in it, under its roof. Hope is the foundation of patience. When hope animates us, there is a vigor in the whole body. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. When you have lost hope, you have lost everything, and when you think all is lost, when all is dire and bleak, there is always hope. Hope means expectancy when things are otherwise hopeless. However bad life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Where there's life, there's hope. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you now have was once among the things you only hoped for. The road that is built in hope is more pleasant to the traveler than the road built in despair, even though they both lead to the same destination. We have always held to the hope, the belief, the conviction that there is a better life, a better world, beyond the horizon. When you stop hoping, you are on the vestibule of hell, for there is no hope there. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Hope lies in dreams, in imagination, and in the courage of those who dare to make dreams into reality. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. We need never be hopeless because we can never be irreparably broken. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. If it were not for hopes, the heart would break. Great hopes make great men. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. Let your hopes, not your hurts, shape your future. There is some good in this world, and it's worth fighting for. This new day is too dear, with its hopes and invitations, to waste a moment on the yesterdays.